There are two spectacular things in this image, and they look like neighbors. One is 430 light-years away. The other is nearly 50,000. What you're seeing is a trick of direction, not distance. The blue glow spreading across this image, those silky, windswept wisps, is a cloud that's actively building new stars right now. Not metaphorically right now. The light hitting your eye left this place 430 years ago, which makes it one of the closest star nurseries we know of. And inside it, gas is sitting at negative 260 degrees Celsius. That's cold enough that gravity wins. The cloud collapses slowly inward, and something that will eventually be a star begins to squeeze itself into existence. Right near the heart of that blue glow, look at that bright star wrapped in swirling white haze. That's a binary system called R Coronae Australis. Two stars in orbit around each other. The younger one is pumping out ultraviolet radiation, and that radiation slams into the surrounding gas and makes it light up. The older one's gravity stirs the whole region like a spoon in cream. The small curved feature to the lower left, those looping filaments, that's NGC 6729, a tiny emission nebula that exists because of the chaos those two stars are causing. Now look all the way over to the right, that dense, glittering swarm, hundreds of stars packed so tightly they blur together at the edges. That's NGC 6723, nicknamed the Chandelier Cluster. It appears to be sitting right next door to the blue cloud. It is not. It's nearly 49,000 light-years away. The cloud is 430. You're looking at two objects separated by a distance so enormous that our brains simply can't process it, and yet they share the same patch of sky. The chandelier stars are almost as old as the universe itself. Some formed over 13 billion years ago, long before our sun existed. One frame, two entirely different cosmic eras. A cloud that's assembling its first stars sits in the foreground, while behind it, impossibly far behind it, some of the oldest stars ever made quietly keep shining. The universe doesn't arrange things for our convenience. So, what else out there looks like it belongs together but doesn't? And what might we be getting wrong because of it? We'll be here again tomorrow with whatever the image shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.